We already started recording.
Hold on.
The video.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm recording.
Hey, what's up, guys? Wrecking Our Accident here, along with
Shillity Lowell.
And right now we've got dog eating a popcorn kernel. No, we've got habanero flavored popcorn. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like habaneros.
I started first one. You get this one.
No. Oh, okay. Okay, so this smells awful. I'm hoping this will be like the first one. I swear to God, if this dog eats it and dies, I'm blaming you.
Get off of it.
Oh my God, that's spicy.
It's buttery.
Just wait.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Yeah, this one's just for you, Jacob.
Oh, that one's probably covered.
Eat it.
Okay. Thank you guys for joining us.
No, wait. We're gonna do an experiment. Don't let the dogs get this yet. Did you notice what I said, Jacob? Yeah.
What?
I need a bowl for water.
We're not
Okay. I got water.
Oh, that makes it a little bit better.
What? You guys ready? Experiment number 1 with dog number 1.
Oh, no. No. Oh, no.
You're so bad.
No.
Here, come with me.
No. She started
Water.
No.
Get some water. Water. Agua.
Agua. Bitch, get agua.
Water.
Get water.
Savage.
Savage dog.
I don't think that one had any flavoring on it.
I hope it's not.
Did you just stop recording?
No.
Okay. So, dog number 2.
Hey there, Annie. How's it going?
Oh, she's so excited for this.
She's like, ooh, piece of popcorn. She's like, oh, no.
Eat it.
She's like, oh, okay. You told me to eat human. How you like that, Annie?
Oh.
Get that water. Oh, no. She's like...
Get some water. It's water. Drink it. Another savage dog. So this has been
She about it.
She went back for seconds. So this has been an experiment with habanero popcorn. He's a pussy. He was stout. I took like a handful. And so wait, but we're gonna. Nope. Okay.
Show me.
We're each gonna do a handful. Jacob first.
Okay, man. This is my hand.
Here, come.
Oh, Jesus.
Where the heck's the camera at? Okay, you know what? Let me just flip it around. Where do I?
No, it's like right there. It's right there.
Okay. So guys, here's Jacob's popcorn.
Did my handful.
Okay. Oh, Jacob, I forgot to tell you. No water. No water. Swallow it. Swallow it. Do it. I think he's about to die, guys. Like, I'm gonna turn on some more light in this room because it is super dark. Here we are, watching some Benja. Love this dude. And my buddy over here, he's dying. Turn on the fan. I'll walk over here. Let's turn on this light. Oh, okay, that definitely helped. So now you guys can see what I actually look like. Ta-da! He's still dying.
That was a bad idea.
Oh, I also forgot to tell you I'm not doing it.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Hold this, let me plug in the lamp. I'll do it. I'm not gonna wuss out.
Oh.
Where the heck does this cable even go? Jacob, stop recording me.